Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I have a super exciting unboxing for you guys. I have been waiting for this delivery for so long and I'm super happy that I finally got these shoes because I've wanted these shoes for so long, but then I just haven't really bought them. But now I decided that I really want to get these. So yeah, the shoes that I'm going to be unboxing today are the Balenciaga track trainers and I can't wait to unbox these. They just arrived today, so I wanted to do this unboxing video live with you guys. One thing that I want to mention before we get started is that I created a new Instagram account and I will link it down below. It's with the same name as my YouTube channel and my old Instagram account was. But yeah, I would really appreciate you follow me there as well. So yeah, but now let's get started with this video. So let's get this. So these shoes I actually didn't order from Balenciaga itself because, well, first when I wanted to get these shoes, I think the retail price was $675, if I'm not correct. And that's an okay price, I think. And that's what I would have paid. I would have paid $695 as well because that's like the last increase that they made. That was the price, I think. But now, when I was looking from Balenciaga's website, first they didn't have my size, so I was like, okay, I was looking from like Farfetch, My Teresa, and all those websites, and none of them had my size. Hello, Lexi. And then, yeah, none of them had my size. Then when I went to Balenciaga's website again, and they had my size, the price was, I think it's $745. I don't know, let me check. I can't find my phone. But yeah, I think it's $745 or something starting with the 7. I will put it here. But yeah, here is the result of the unboxing. Here, Lexi Bengal. You can follow her also on her Instagram because she is very active there. So yeah, can we unbox now? Can we start unboxing? Yeah, I would like to unbox my shoes, please. Excuse me. So yeah. Here. So yeah, I forgot to say, so I ordered these from StockX because most of the Balenciaga shoes are under retail and they are still in stock, like from Balenciaga's website. I'm not sure why they go for under retail, but good for me. But here's the box. It's in pretty good condition. It is kind of broken from the ends, but yeah, it's in good condition. Then it has the StockX receipt and a card with some Rolex on it, and this is from StockX. Yeah. And it has black laces, 2 pairs, and then dust bag, the gray one. And let's see. So when you sell in StockX, you usually, or they are always not used. So they're like brand new, so that's really good. And these look so nice. I'm so happy. So happy. Yeah, it also has the card that comes in when you order from Balenciaga as well. But yeah. These are the all black colorway. I really was debating if I should get all black or the all white ones. Originally, I wanted the all white ones, but then I have so many white shoes and I do wear a lot of white shoes, but then lately I feel like I've needed all black shoes and I don't have all black shoes, and then I thought that it would be nice to have, because I have the white triple S, then these black ones I will get use out of, even though I don't know if I'm going to be using these as much as if they were white, but these will last much longer because they're black. They don't get dirty that easily and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm super happy. And also I've tried these track trainers on in a store, and for the Balenciaga Triple S I'm always a size 36, But then for the track trainers, I'm a size 37, which is my normal size in like Adidas and Nike and stuff like that. So yeah, really happy about these. And also I forgot to mention that these are the track 1s. I prefer these over the track 2s. The track 2s just have too much going on in my opinion, and they have holes in them, so I feel like these are more versatile and it doesn't really matter what the weather is like. I have more detailed video about the track trainers on my channel, so if you want to check that out, I will put a card here. But yeah, this is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and I will link these shoes down below if you want to get them for yourself. Oh, and I forgot to tell you how much these were. So I paid $581.50, which is a bargain in my opinion, because that's cheaper than the original price for the track trainers. But yeah, super happy that I got these under retail. So yeah, if you want to get these under retail, I will put a link down below. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!